Imagine a journey of progress where each step, no matter how small, propels you forward. This is the essence of Kaizen. It's the art of continuous improvement and the belief that everything can be better. The term Kaizen marries two Japanese words, Kai meaning change and Zen meaning good. It's a simple yet powerful approach that emerged from Japan's need to rebuild and reinvent itself after World War II. Developed on the factory floors of Japanese manufacturers like Toyota, Kaizen enabled a devastated economy to rise from the ashes. It's about small, ongoing positive changes which cumulatively lead to substantial improvements. Now, let's walk through the steps of Kaizen, which have been adopted worldwide in many industries. Step one is involve the employees. They know their work and the business better than anyone. Step two, identify problems, their opportunities in disguise. Spot areas that need improvements to start your Kaizen journey. Step three, ideate on those problems and how they might be addressed. Step four, implement the plan on a small scale at first to test its effectiveness. 5, review what happened. After executing, assess the results. What worked? As importantly, what didn't? Learn from every outcome. Step 6, standardize. If the change was successful, implement it on a wider scale. And then adopt and update those standards to reflect a new method. Lastly, step 7, repeat. Kaizen, it's a cycle. It's not a one-time call to action. Begin the process again with a new area for improvement. You'll continuously spiral upwards towards excellence. Kaizen is as much about the mindset as the process. It teaches us that the smallest changes can yield the biggest results over time. From healthcare, where they reduced critical surgery wait times, to software development, where functionality is enhanced on a regular basis with consistent updates. The applications of Kaizen are endless. And in our personal lives, Kaizen encourages us to live intentionally, making incremental changes towards our goal, be it better health, increased knowledge, or getting organized. The Kaizen approach isn't about huge, immediate results. Instead, it's about being better than we were yesterday, even if just by a little bit. Through Kaizen, we are always moving forward. We're building on our successes, and we're learning from our setbacks. Kaizen isn't just a methodology, it's a philosophy for growth and excellence that can be applied to our work, to our home, and to life itself.